YouTubers, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, just the other day I made a video on how to make your own do-it-yourself pro glass cleaner, something like Windex, very close to it. And I left out one of the most important parts for a lot of people is how much it actually cost. Um, there's a lot of my viewers that are very interested in how much things cost. Not so much as wanting to save money as they want to then come after me about how I got my math wrong and I didn't include this or that. Uh, so to make those people happy, we're going to go over the cost and how much it actually going to cost you to make this window cleaner. I bought a container on sale at Walmart of alcohol for 22 or 88 cents. I used 4 ounces of it, so it cost me 22 cents for the alcohol. The 64-ounce container of ammonia was $1 at the dollar store, so 1 ounce cost me about 1.6 cents. I used 1 drop of blue dye. It's probably less than a tenth of a penny, but I put in something 0.1. 6 drops of dishwashing liquid. There again, it's probably less than a tenth of a penny. Water, I looked it up. A gallon of water, city water, cost about zero point 0.4 cents, and I used less than a gallon. I used less than half a gallon, but still, I round up to about zero point 0.2 cents. So all told, about 24.2 cents. And I know they'll come after me. I don't mention it. The spray bottle is going to cost me like $1 if I went out to buy one at the dollar store. But the actual liquid itself, it's 24.2 cents. So now you know how much it's going to cost to make the Windex. And if you go buy it at the store, it's about $3.97. Of course, it comes with the spray bottle. But there you go, 24.2 cents, guys. So now you come after me. I didn't add in the cost of the automobile to go buy the liquid or my internet service. It could come. Oh, I could have made it cheaper with the vinegar. I could have made my own vinegar. This is how much it costs to make the Windex cleaner that I made in my video. So hope you liked the video. Hope you appreciate how much it costs now, and you can get your enjoyment about showing how I'm wrong about my math. All right, guys, take care, and hope you enjoy my videos half as much as I do making them. All right, take care. See you out there.